Hi guys, my name is Chetan Kapoor. Today we will talk about SAP Adapter Conversion Utility. So it is divided into two portions. First is the prerequisite and second is the execution part. So let's kickstart. So the prerequisite talks about what all things are required before we run the SAP Adapter Conversion Utility. The first thing is that on the machine where we are running the adapter utility, it should have the Java 1.7 or above. The second thing is before executing the conversion utility, you should have Java home environment variable set. The third thing is before running the conversion utility, you should have SAP Adapter being downloaded on that machine and being installed on the same machine. The SAP adapter can be downloaded from this particular link that I have shared in this document. Then once the SAP adapter has been successfully installed, the first thing that we will do is we will run the SAP Adapter Converter Utility. So that utility can be downloaded by providing the link from the support site or from the Broadcom management. Once it is being downloaded on the machine where the SAP adapter has been installed, we need to extract the SAP Adapter Converter Utility. Depending upon the platform, whether it's a Windows or Linux, we can untar it. So once that is being installed, so in total we have done two things. First, we have installed the Java. Second thing, we have installed SAP Adapter. Then the third thing is we have installed the actual utility, which is called SAP Adapter Converter Utility. So let me show you with the live example, which talks about in the execution part of this particular document. So I have installed the same on this particular machine. So as you can see, in this particular folder, I have installed the SAP conversion utility. So in this particular utility, there are certain folders. So these folders are like this, as you can see: properties folder, GIL folder, and there are certain other files which are necessary, which are SAP converter constant, SAP converter params. So once you extract it, all these files will automatically be there. After the extraction part is done, you need to go to the file explorer and open the CMD. Once you open the CMD from here, it will open like this, and you will have SAP adapter converter bat file on this location, and you hit the enter button. Once you enter the enter button, the Java home which you have already set, it will get automatically picked up. So to convert the adapter jobs to the GIL definition, we need to select the third option. But to perform the conversion, we need to perform the first option, which is the exporting user from SAP adapter. I have already done the first part. In the first part, what it will do, it will export all the users from the SAP adapter and it will expose them in the text file. There will be 3 text files which will get created, which are properties. So all these 3 files will be created under the properties files. So as I have more files, as you can see under this particular folder, but basically it will create profiles file, users file, and then another file depending upon your users. So once that is done, we need to go to the third option. So let me just enter the third option and press enter. Once we do that, it will present us with 5 different options. So as I have certain jobs which I need to convert. So before converting the jobs, I would like to show them how my jobs look like in terms of adapter. So all the jobs which I need to convert, I have put inside this text file. So this particular text file has one job. Similarly, I have another job which is present inside this folder, which is called jill.txt. As you can see, these are my different jobs, and the job name is LTY SAP CRM LC1999 underscore SM of download.s, and this is of the type command job because you can see it has a command. Similarly, I have few other jobs also which I have prepared for the demo. Once I have this file being prepared, I need to give this file as the input to the conversion utility. I will come here to the command prompt which I had opened, and I select the option number 2nd, which is the same as insert job name. Once I enter 2 and hit enter, it will ask me to provide the Jill input file path which has the adapter type of job definition. So I will provide the file path which has the file name as well. So my file is present inside the SAP Adapter Converter folder. Under that, I have another folder called Jill, under which I have one file called jill.txt. And now, after giving the full path, I'll hit enter. As soon as the job conversion utility completes, it will show the output, how many jobs are converted successfully, how many jobs are converted unsuccessfully. And it will also create a log file which will tell us where the job conversion has failed and where the job conversion has been successful. Apart from the log file, it will also generate the output file which has the actual Jill definition in terms of SAP plugin. So as you can see, it says the job conversion has been successful and 4 jobs has been successfully converted, and the number of failure is 0. So if I open up the output folder, it will convert it as output.jills. As you can see, I just ran it. So if I open it here, it will showcase the converted definition of the Jill. And now you can see the job type has been converted from CMD to job type as SAP. And the rest of the keys of the Jill definition has been changed appropriately. Similarly, if I look inside the other jobs which has been converted successfully, I can take the output from the output Jills folder. So these are the 3 folders: crd.jill, pld.jill, and all SAP converter jobs.jill. If I open the crd.jill, it will also have the same changes. that has been done for the other jobs also. Once this is done, if we are interested to see the log output also, we can see it from the converter sap.log. If I open it, it will show me how and what has been done to convert the adapter job type to the SAP plugin job type. This is all from the execution standpoint. Whatever that has been shown here, I have put here as part of the execution. Let me just quickly walk through here. We first went to the SAP Adapter Converter folder. Then we ran the bat file or the shell file depending upon our platform. Then we selected the third option, which is converting JIL definition, and then we hit enter. Then we selected the job definition. Then we entered the path where the job definition is present. Once we hit the enter, it has transformed all the definition from adapter to plugin job definition. Once the execution is done, then the output can be taken from the output_jils folder. This is all about the SAP Adapter Conversion Utility. Thank you.